Hey everyone, it's Leonette. Welcome back to DIY Beauty on Purpose. So today is such a fun video. I am working on 3 Valentine's DIYs, home decor. I rarely do this. Actually, I never do this. I don't decorate for Valentine's. I may do a craft here and there with my daughter, but in regards to home decor, I am not one to do so. So this year is something new. But I am not a fan of the reds or the pinks, so I'm keeping everything in the color scheme that my home is in, which is why I'm starting with that frame that I painted white. It was an old frame that I already had at home, and I just gave it a fresh coat of paint with white chalk paint in the linen white from Rust-Oleum. And then this garland I got at the Target dollar spot, and I'm just removing the pine cones. And I'm going to use the vine, which is wired, and I am going to shape it into a heart. I'm doing the best I can here. It could be a little tricky, but I'm not looking for perfection. I just need it to be in the shape of a heart. Now, at some point, I lost the footage of where I attached it to the frame, but it was no big deal. I literally just took lace from the Dollar Tree and I looped it around, or oh my gosh, put it through the middle of the heart, and then I looped it around the top of the frame. And now I'm just adding some flowers. These little flowers I got several months ago at the Goodwill, and I have used in so many other projects, and I'm reusing them again for this one. Just adding a little bit of a flower touch to it, but again keeping it in that white tone that I love so much. And I'm just placing them, and then I'm going to take some hot glue and secure them. I'm not going to add too much hot glue because I like to reuse my things, my decors, and sometimes hot glue can ruin them. So I'm just adding a little tiny dot of hot glue just to secure it enough so that they don't fall. And there you have it. There's my first little decor there. I love it. I think the heart could have been a little bit more defined. But overall, I think it's super cute and I really like it. For my second DIY, I'm having some issues with footage this video. I'm so sorry, but I literally just took 2 Dollar Tree Valentine decor, and I removed the middle portion there of the heart, and I also removed the ribbon that came above it, and then I also got this love sign, and then I gave it 2 coats of, or I gave the heart 2 coats of oh my gosh, chalk paint in the linen white by Rust-Oleum. All the products that I am using will be linked down below, at least the paint and that kind of thing. Now I'm taking the charcoal chalk paint by Rust-Oleum and a smaller brush, and I'm just adding it to the corners, and I'm going to be giving it a more distressed farmhouse look. Then I apologize. I lost the footage for when I painted the E and the O, but basically all I did was just gave it 1 coat of the charcoal color on only the O and the E, and it only needed 1 coat, which was nice. It was originally that light pink. I just basically gave it a coat of the charcoal, and then I added twine to the top, and that is it. There you have it. So simple, only $2. Of course, because I already had the paint at home, but look how cute, and again, it goes with my decor. And then for my third and final DIY, I am using a wreath that I have had for a long time, and the Valentine's portion of the heart that I used. I painted the little Valentine burlap thing. I don't know what you call it, ribbon. And I painted it with 2 coats of the white chalk paint. And now I'm using some stencil that I got on Amazon. Again, it'll be linked down below. And I am just going to stencil with the charcoal Rust-Oleum chalk paint, the XOXO, to the ribbon there. And then I am going to hot glue it to the wreath using plenty of hot glue. And then I'm going to take some of those tiny little flowers that I used earlier. I had some left over and I just pulled apart some of the smaller portion of the flowers. And I'm just hot gluing a couple, or actually 4 of them there, just to add a little bit of a flower touch to it. And there you have it. How stinking cute. I love all these DIYs and I love how they just blend in with my decor. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that it inspires you to get some decorations done. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so. Have a great day.